follow the rules of fun to the letter with this custom monogram stenciled cornhole board project from designerstencils.com. First, give your boards a fresh coat of white primer. Next, take your custom stencil and spray the underside with Repositionable Spray Adhesive. Use frog tape to mask the areas of the design that will later be painted green. Thoroughly shake your bottle of navy blue Americana acrylic paint and pour out a small amount onto a paper plate. Take your high-density foam roller and repeatedly roll it partially into the paint to gradually and evenly soak the foam. Remove excess paint by rolling it a couple of times on a stack of paper towels. Too much paint on the roller or brush can result in bleeding underneath the stencil. Apply the color using numerous light coats. Use a stencil brush to touch up areas that are tighter where the roller can't reach as well. Be sure to remove excess paint by swirling the bristles on the paper towels. Use the same swirling motion to apply the color. When finished with the blue, carefully remove the frog tape. The next paint color is Kelly Green. Use a brush for smaller areas where more control is needed, again using light coats. Once completed, pull the stencil straight up and peel it away. To protect your cornhole board from wear and weather, add a couple of coats of acrylic sealer. For more tips and ideas, visit designerstencils.com today.